Eurocardata, euro means tail, carda means notocard. The Eurocards are nothing but the organism. The notocard is located in the tail region. The Eurocard is nothing but the notocard is located in the tail region. Those individuals are introduced into Eurocardates. Eurocards are nothing but the notocard appears are located in tail region. Appears in tail region. So these individuals are comes into Chordata in subphylum of the Eurocardata. Subphylum of the Eurocardata. So what is the characters of the Eurocardates? These Eurocardates are completely sedentary in forms. So the example of the Eurocardata is a what is that? Hedmania. Nothing but Ascidians. Hedmania are known as Ascidians are the best examples of the Eurocardata. So these Eurocardans are commonly called as sea potato. Is commonly called as a sea potato. Why? Because it looks like a potato-like structure. First one, that Eurocardates are marine forms. Let's see the diagram. This one is adult Eurocardata. Adult Eurocard example Ascidian. Ascidian are nothing but Ascidians are common known as a what is that? These are called as a Hedmania. Very very important. Hedmania. Example is Hedmania. Hedmania. So this is the individual. This is attachment of the substratum. Why? Because these are marine forms and sessile. Sessile nothing but sedentary in condition. These are completely sedentary in condition, cannot able to move anywhere. The adult one is sedentary. Adult one is sedentary in condition. The larvas are free swimming nature. Yes, sir. Let's see the diagram. The body of the Ascidians are covered by the outermost covering membrane. The body of the Ascidian is covered by the outermost covering membrane is known as a tunica or test. What is that? Ascidia. So these organisms are called as a tunicata, Ascidian or test. Okay. So the body of the organism is completely covered by the outermost covering membrane. Outermost covering membrane. This covering membrane is called as a what is that? The covering membrane is called as a test. Test or Ascidia or tunica are called as a tunica. The covering membrane is commonly called as a tunica. What is the test and what is that? Ascidia. So these organisms are called as tunicates. So the body of the organisms are covered by the tunicin. The body of the organisms are covered by the one of the covering most membrane is called tunicin. So these are called as a tunicata individual. Tunicata organisms. Tunicata forms. So the tunicin is made up of cellulose membrane. The tunicin is made up of which membrane? Cellulose membrane. Tunicin is made up of which membrane? Cellulose membrane. It is the outermost covering membrane. So these are shown, which very important. What is that? These organisms are shown retrogressive metamorphosis. These are shown very important. Which type of system? Retrogressive metamorphosis. The organisms are shown which type of metabolism? Retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis. Next one, habit. The habit of the organism is completely carnivorous in nature. Completely carnivorous in nature. Okay, the carnivorous in nature. These are completely lacking of the head, presence of the tail. Lacking of the head, head lacking, and presence of the tail is present. Tail secreting some kind of fluids, and as well as tail containing some amount of the some kinds of adhesive organs are present. Tail containing adhesive organs are present. These adhesive organs are essential for the attachment of the substratum. Tail containing which one? Adhesive organs. These adhesive organs are essential for the attachment of the substratum. Clear? So these organs are useful for the attachment of the substratum. Next one, the adult one is what is that? Adult. These are shown. These are bisexual in nature. Majorly bisexual in nature means nothing but hermaphrodite. These are hermaphrodite. Which one? What is the eukaryotes are completely hermaphrodite in nature. So these are shown again the protogyny condition. Hermaphrodite and shown protogyny. Listen carefully. Protogyny. These are also shown which condition? The protogyny nature. The bisexual in nature and the protogyny condition. Yes, means it is prevalence of internal fertilization. That condition is called protogyny. What I am saying? The protogyny is nothing but the maturation of the ovum before the sperm. That is condition is called protogyny. The fertilization is external fertilization. So fertilization is external fertilization. So the larva of the very important. The larva of the Ascidian is known as a that is called look like a tadpole-like larva. The larva of the hermaphrodite, the larva of the Hedmania, it is look like a tadpole-like structure. So this is called as a Ascidian larva. This larva is known as Ascidian larva, or called as a tadpole larva. Ascidian larva are called as a tadpole larva. These are larvas are known as Ascidian larva and tadpole larva. Are you clear? So this is the what is the Urochordata? What is the Urochordate? Nothing but this is consistent of Urochordate. The notochord is located in the tail region. Notochord is located in the tail region. So this is introducing into Urochordates region. So these are completely lacking of the what is one head. So what is the meaning of the retrogressive metamorphosis? So when after the releasing of the gametes into outside of the body, so after what is that? After the releasing of the gametes, so the mouth will become close. So the digestive system is completely changing in approximately 180 degrees into descending order. So when it is after releasing of these gametes, the male will become shown this type of twisting of the digestive tract. So that is called as a retrogressive metamorphosis. When the larva is known as the Ascidian larva. The Ascidian larva is a free swimming larva. This larva is the life cycle of the larva. The life cycle of the free swimming nature is only 180 minutes. Nothing but 3 hours. When the adult individuals are releasing of the gametes or zygote into outside of the body, in the fertilization takes place. So the individuals fertilization takes place, the formation of new larva is there. So the larva is known as a Ascidian larva. When it is formation of a Ascidian larva, after completion of what is that? These are shown a free swimming nature. They are shown which one? Free swimming nature. The free swimming nature approximately 3 hours only. The free swimming nature only 3 hours only. So the after completion of their free swimming nature, nothing but after completion of the 3 hours, the individual, which one the larva will become attachment, will enters into the bottom of the ocean, and attachment of the substratum. Attachment of the substratum. When it is attachment, the tail will become formation of the adhesive organs. When formation of adhesive organs, will become converts into potato-like structure. Potato-like structure nothing but adult individual-like structure. So that is process is known as a retrogressive metamorphosis. Meta means multiple, morpha means changes. The larva is converts into adult one. In between of the larva and adult one shown a number of the changes. Meta means multi, morpha means changes. The number of changes are there. Okay, so this is the information about the Eurochordata. Are you clear? So this is topic is Eurochordata.